Every year, I'd promise myself to lose weight, feel better, and finally fit into smaller clothes, but it always felt impossible, especially after becoming a mom of two. Then I found the Natural Mounjaro Method. Honestly, I wasn't sure it would work, but I gave it a try, and wow, it's so simple, just a sip before bed. No restrictive diets, exhausting workouts, or complicated routines. In just a few weeks, I lost 32 pounds. I woke up feeling lighter, more energetic, and my skin was glowing. Fine lines disappeared. This isn't just my story. Andrew, the creator of this drink, has helped people across the country regain their health and happiness. If you're tired of feeling stuck, click the first pinned comment and discover the simple method that's changing lives. Don't wait, 2025 is your year.